and you can see provide the tile name whatever you want, let's say. And you can see there is a filter whether you are interested in displaying the tile whatever you are going to designing here on all the employees accounts or on the user accounts, or you are interested in only in a group of accounts. You can just go ahead and create your own group, or you can display it to all the employees, guys. If you want to create your own groups, you can see add new group, and you will be able to create group based on the country, city, division, department, their job codes, their time zone, region, all these things, their username, all those things. You will be able to create a groups. But for time being, just let me create a tile which I am going to display to all the employees across the organization, guys. And after that, you can see the second option is your group, and later you can see there are some dates. Whether you are interested in displaying this tile all the time on the home page, or you are interested in displaying this tile only during certain dates. Let's say, as we are talking about New Year wishes, right? It is more appropriate to display this thing in the last week of December and during the first week of January, right? You can go ahead and select your date range so that this screen is going to be displayed, or the tile is going to be displayed only during that range, guys. Let me select this. And the other thing is, guys, you can see here what is the size that you are interested with respect to your tile, whether you want to display your tile in a medium size, large, or extra large. You can display in the required fashion, whatever it may be. Let me select large. It doesn't make any difference, guys, only with respect to the size, right? It will show you the different size with respect to the tile. And these things, whatever you are going to configure from the second step, is going to be visible on the tile, guys. This is all, the step one is all like system configuration, which is not going to be displayed on the screen. But whatever you are going to configure starting from the step 2 is going to be visible to the employees or the users on the home page. Let me do that. And here you can keep update whatever text you want to provide on the screen, guys. And
can we add a URL over here?
Yeah, you will be able to add a URL as well, guys. Let me do that.
Yeah, Raghu, as there is a selection for this group, like all employees, so group would be on the basis of location, or how it could be an area, some kind of area.
You have all those things, right? I showed you, right? You can see here. When you click on add new group, you can categorize based on the city, country, even on the custom fields, their department or division, gender, their usernames.
Okay.
You can use all these as criteria to form your own group, guys. Okay.
Raghu, can you add an image in this thing as well?
Yeah. I will do that. Yeah, I'm going to do the same thing, guys. And you can see I'm going to add a URL here. And this is the URL that I am interested. And how you want to display the URL, whenever you are going to click on the URL, whether you want to open the destination page on the same window or on a new window or on a pop-up window, you can just go ahead and select whatever the thing that you are interested in. And let me add one image as well. Let me upload it here. Okay, and even if someone is comfortable adding doing flash, right, you can just go ahead and add flash images as well, guys. You'll be able to do that. And you can see here, you will be able to add colors, you will be able to change your font styles, and you will be able to increase the size of your font. You can bold it or italize, you can underline, all those things. You will be able to embed HTML code also. If you are comfortable using HTML, you can just go ahead and add your HTML code as well, guys. You can do all those things. But you can see here, right now I added an image, I added text, and I added a URL link as well. Let me save this thing, guys.
Is this image going to show up as a background image, or is it going to be covering the whole tile? What happens with that?
It is going to be in the tile, and it is going to occupy only this much space, guys. It is not going to occupy the entire tile.
Okay.
You can see the preview
Okay.
as well. Yeah. Let me.
So Raghu, can these tiles be automatically invoked a URL?
Yeah.
So like once I log into the system, that particular tile should be open, let's say like google.com. So that should automatically open up the
No, no, not
google.com
automatically.
page. Okay, so I have
It
to
will,
click that. I have to
yeah,
click.
it will give you an hyperlink to you, and on that you have to take an action. Guys, 1 second, guys. There is some problem with respect to this. You will be able to see the preview as well, guys. You can see here. It is trying to display the preview. This is what we designed, and let me change a little bit, guys. You can give URL as well, guys. If your image is somewhere else, right, you will be able to give the URL as well, so that image URL you can just give in the image info, right? That will display the image. You don't need to always upload images to the SuccessFactors server. You can do it as a URL as well. Here you can see. I don't know why, guys, it is. Just give me a second, guys. Let me. Someone has changed the profiles.
It could be that the size is too much.
No, 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 no. That's not the problem, Victor. Just give me a second, guys. Let me. This might be because people started customizing the profile, these additional custom fields, right? They added a lot of custom fields and they didn't configure the layout properly, guys. That will be the reason for this application error. I'm going to explain all these things, guys. Don't worry about this at this moment. Just see like what I'm going to do here. People created like anything, guys. Everyone created each one.